पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन गोंयांत चलतल्या शिनळकी वेवसायाचेर उक्तेपणान आरोप केले। या विशयाचेर पर्यटन मंत्र्याकडेन बसून चर्चा करतलो, उत्तर गोंयचो एसपी नितीन वालसानान सांगला। कळंगूटचो आमदार मायकल लोबोन केल्ल्या खंडणीच्या आरोपाचेरय तो उलयलो। तातूंत कितें तथ्य ना, एसपी सांगता। कळंगूट बिचार ध्वनी प्रदूषण, खंडणी प्रकरणां आनी हेर संबंधीत मुद्दे घेवन पर्यटनाकडेन संबंध आशिल्ल्या घटकां बरोबर उत्तर गोंयचो एसपी नितीन वालसानान चर्चा केली। त्या उपरांत तो मिडिया कडेन उलयलो। खंडणीच्यो कसल्योच कागाळी पावंक नात, ती फकत वावड्यो, तो सांगता।
Today I interacted with people of Kalangut area. They were from different segments of life. Some were shack owners, some were running the restaurants, some were hotels. Many of them were residents of Kalangut area. So I just inquired about how the police has been working as far as the local law and order and security is concerned. So most of them had very good words and praises for the local police. There were some issues, some 2-3 issues which we will sort it out. I will discuss with SDPO and PA Kalangut and we will find out a solution. So recently there have been some issues about some extortion racket going on in Kalangut area, and there are so many illegal activities happening. People have raised in the social media platform, but we didn't receive any complaint. So I thought like directly I should interact with the people to if there was any issues regarding this, but nobody has raised any concerns regarding this. I have passed on my number to majority of them and I have asked them if you have any issues which have to be discussed one-on-one, they are free to come to my office and we will try to find a solution. And main issue is the loud music, which I have given instructions to PI and SDPO.
थेट सरकारातलो मंत्रीच जेन्ना शिनळकी चलता अशें सांगता त्या वेळार पुलिसांचे मनोबल उणें जायना। मंत्र्यांचो हो आरोप खरो काय फट, ह्या थेट प्रस्नार आयकात एसपीची जाप।
This is a democratic country. Anybody is free to raise their issues, but if that all anybody has any problem in which police department is required to give support, there is a proper channel. I would urge everyone. They can approach local police, SHO, PI of the police station. If we are not being heard at the police station, there is subdivisional police officer, there is superintendent of police. We are always available. And if at all beyond district, there is a DIG, there is an IG, there is a DG. We are all available 24/7 to help everybody out. So instead of raising it on social media platform, our honorable CMs are also has urged everyone, please go through the proper systemic ways to find solutions.
गोवा 365 खातीर समीप नार्वेकार, जवाहर बर्वे आनी संगीता ओली।